In this video, we are going to practice some questions on loops. In the previous video, I have shown you the concept of loops, concept of while loop, for loop, and do while loop, and I have also shown you some practice questions. I guess two questions I have practiced, and let's go to the computer screen and let's practice the questions. Let's have fun. I have reached in the computer screen here. You can see I have created the boilerplate code in the computer screen in the VS Code. Okay, so let's see the first question. That is what this PDF. Okay, so here practice problems number, print the number from 10 to 1. Okay, so I guess I have done it, and let's done it again. Okay, do it again. So print number from 10 to 1. Okay, let's do it. So basically I have show you some number that is going to be from 10 to 1. We can do it with using for loop or while loop or do while loop. So here I have shown you using the while loop. Okay, so I have declared a variable that is I. Okay, I is basically for iteration for the loops, and you can use any kind of variable name here. Okay, so I have also here you can use ram your name or something like that kind of thing also. So I've declared it, then while. Okay, so while in between the parentheses there is condition from till 10. Okay, so that is basically till 10, and within the while loop we are going to printf value of I, that is printf percentage %d format specifier \n for next line, and the variable name that is I here, and every time we are going to update the value of I. So basically I plus plus for that. I have shown you in the previous video the concepts. I hope you can understand. If you not, then let me know in the comment section. I will give you answers to you. Okay, so here initially with one value as a going to print from 1 to 10. Okay, so I is initially with one value, then I have written over the condition in between the parentheses in the while loop, that is I less than equal to 10, because we are going to print 1 to 10 till the number 10. So here basically I less than equal to 10, and we are going to print the value of I and update the condition. Okay, so let's run it. You can see here 1 to 10 is printed exactly in the new line. Here backslash in I have used it as an except sequence character for the new line. Okay, so you can also in the row wise, when you have give you a space, then you can print it row wise. Okay, so then you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 19 over here. Okay, so yes, it has successfully run. So let's go to the next questions. Okay, so the first question of the series of the practice of that session, that is print number from 10 to 1. This time we are going to print reverse, not 1 to 10. It is basically 10 to 1. So we have to initialize from 10 value. So initially 10 value, and we are going to till up to 1, that is greater than equal to 1. Okay, and going to print the I value, and every time we are going to decrease the value, basically 10 to 1. First of all 10, then 9, then 8, then 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Yes, in this way basically. So let's run it. So you can over here 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so if I use here backslash n character, then you can, if you run it, then you can see in the column wise direction, that is 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, I hope you have understood. So basically here we have changed the previous program in two ways. We have initialized with 10 value, we have changed the initialization, and then condition, then updation over here it is the decrement. Okay, basically 10 to 1 is going to be printed, so it is the decrement. You have understood, I hope. So let's go to the second question, that is print your name, full name at least 10 times. So let's update this code. Okay, so basically 10 times. So initial is from 1, and it is going to be till 10 times, so less than equal to 10. Okay, then printf, we are going to print my name. and you are going to print your name. That is over here I will to my name. So and every time we are decrease the value as we are going to print 10 times. First of all 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 times. So let's run it, and if we use a backslash n, then it will be a nice presentation in the output screen. So if you do, then you can see 10 times my name is printed. So you have use your name like G2. Okay. Then if you run it, then you can see G2 is printed 10 times. That's I have understood the program, and we have to only change the condition initialization, updation, and the printf, the functionality of the for loop. Okay. So I hope you have understood the questions also. So in the third question, print the number from -11 to 11 using do while loop. So if I have to, we have to initialize the I value with -11 and go till 11. Okay. So let's do it. Initialize it with -11. So 11 minus 11. Okay. So every time we are going to increase the value because negative to positive, we have to increase the value. So we are going to till 11, and every time we are going to print the value of I basically. That is percentage in then backslash n, and then value of I, right? So every time we are going to increase also the because we are going to basically going to -11 to -11, that is minus number to positive number, heavy number to positive number. So basically if you run this code, and you can see over there that is from -11 till +11 I have printed nicely and successfully. So I hope you have understood the problem. If you have not, please mention the problem number and what you have not understood in the comment box. I have definitely here for answer your question. So let's go to the fourth problem, that is print the multiplication table of a number taking input from the user and taking hardcoded input. So basically I have going to take a hardcoded input first, then we are going to take input from user. So first of all, multiplication table of a number. So let's do it with for loop. Okay. So first of all, we are going to take a number equal to, let's say, 10. We are going to print the multiplication table of 10. Okay. So we are going to write for int I equal 1, because for multiplication table there is change from 1 to 10 value and I less than equal to 10. Then I will do for increment from 1 to 10. And we are going to printf every time the 10 into the I value, because 10 into 1 is 10, then 10 into 20, then 10 into 3 is 30. In this way 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. The multiplication table of 10 will going to be printed. So percentage d over here, then we are going to slash d in here, and over here we are going to print num into I. Okay, so that is the we are going to be printed. So let's run it. So you can see over here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and obviously 100. The multiplication table of 100 is going to be has successfully printed over here. Okay, you can see over here. So that's the problem I have understood over here. So let's make it again so that you can understand. I have initialized with the number with 10 because I am going to print 10 multiplication table. Okay, then we have used for loop. First the initialization condition, that is basically with the value of 1, then the condition, the base case condition, that is I less than equal to 10, because we are going to from 1 to 10 value, and every time we are going to increase the value of I, that is I plus plus, basically I equal to I plus 1, I plus plus, what is I plus? So basically I equal to I plus 1, that is the value. Okay, right? So I hope you understand. And then every time we are going to print num into I, that is 10 into 1, then 10 into 2, then it's 10 into 3, 10 into 4, 10 into 5, and in this way. Okay, so in this way the follow is going to be printed, and the number of multiplication table of 10 is going to be printed successfully. Okay, as you can see the output section is basically over here. So let's go to the, let's make the program again, because I have also instructed is using input from the user. So basically, first of all, we have to take input from the user, input number from the user, and we are going to print the addition limit of that input number. Okay, so everything is nice, but over here we are not going to take hard-coded input. We are input from the user. So printf enter a number. Okay, we are going to request user enter a number. Then via scanf we are going to take in percentage d and ampersand num. Okay, so in this way we are going to print number, and if we run this, then you can see enter number. We are going to take the number 10, and you can see the multiplication table is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is printed successfully of 10 numbers. Okay, so if we again run this program, enter number, we are going to take 2 multiplication table of 2. You can see over here 2, then 2 into 2, that is 4, 2 into 3, 6, 8, 10, in this way till 2 into 10, that is 20. Multiplication table is 20 also will be printed successfully. And again we run this program and the multiplication table of 5, then you can see 5, 10, 15, 20 until 5 into 10, that is 50 also will be printed. So in this way, so basically what I have done over here, that is first of all I have taken integer variable integer number, because I am going to print it the multiplication table of an integer number, that is enter num. And printf, I have request the user to enter number. So via printf we have print in the screen that's enter number. Then via scanf I have taken input from the user. Okay, this is the basic syntax of scanf. Percentage t comma ampersand of the variable name, so ampersand of num over here. And in the like the previous multiplication table, we have used a for loop from 1 to 10 till 10, and every time we have printed num into I, that is basically number that is going to be inputted by input by the user, and into the I value, that is 1, then num into 1, num into 2, num into 3 till the 10 value, num into 10 value. And in this way the multiplication table of the input number is going to be printed successfully, as you can see in the output screen. Okay, so let's go to the fifth problem, that is print the sum of digits of a number. Okay, sum of digits of a number. Basically, let's go to the VS Code. So let's remove it. Okay. So I have shown you that sum of a number, let's say is it 1, 2, 3. So sum of the digits of a number, that is basically kya? 3 plus 2 plus 1, here 1 plus 2 plus 3, or 3 plus 2 plus 1. The sum is 6, because 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. And if we take it like 100, that is sum is 1 plus 0, that is 1 equal to 1, because 1 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 1, sum of digits. Okay, so again if we take it, let's say 2, 3, 1. So basically first digit is 2, then the digit is 1, then the digit is 3, then the digit is 1, that is basically 2 plus 3, 5 plus in that is 6. Okay, so in this way we are going to print the sum of digits of a number input by the user. Okay, first of all let's take a number num variable, and request enter to enter a number, that is printf enter a number. Okay, and by scanf we are going to take the number, that is percentage d comma ampersand of num. Okay, now we are going to use a for loop or any kind of loop, that is do while loop or while loop also. And here I am going to use for loop, and every time we are going to use, that is for, let's say for integer I equal 1. Okay, so let's a 3-digit number. Okay, or let's use like while. Okay, so let's make the condition till n. Over here n is not there, that is number is greater than 0. Then what we are going to do, that is num is greater than 0 till the number is positive. Then every time, let's say r. Okay, so integers are over here, and r equal to num modular n. Okay. Then let's write the code and then I will explain you. Okay. Then num equal, so every time let's say a variable I have also declared over here, that is int sum, that initialized with 0 value, and then sum equal to sum plus r. Okay. And every time num equal to num divided by 10. Okay. So that's the condition over here I have written over here. So let's make it understandable for you. Okay. So what have we done over here? And out of the loop we are going to print the sum of the digits of number. And if the sum of the digits number, okay, equal to percentage d, yeah, comma sum. Okay. So basically that's a condition over here, you can see. Okay, so let's make it understandable for you. So if we run this in enter number, let's say 1 to 3, and sum of the digits of number is 6, because 1 plus 2 plus 3 is basically 6. Let's again run it. You can see that is 100. Let's say you can see that sum of the digits of the number is 1. Okay, so because 1 plus 0 is 10. Let's run it, and let's 4 by 1. Okay, the sum of digits, that is 10, because 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 1 equal to 10. So yes, the program is successful. So let's make it understandable for you. Let's explain it. So basically in the intent section I have initialized, declared a num variable or a number variable, then print in the screen the entire number for the user, and via scanf function I have taken the number from the user. Okay, that is basically fine. And then now for storing the sum of the number, I have declared a sum variable that is initialized with 0 value. Okay, because at the end, at the very beginning of the program, you have not stored any value in the sum, because you have not make it operation from the number variable. Okay, so the basically the sum value is not 0. And so in the while loop I have given over here a condition, that is till the number is positive, till the number is positive greater than 0. 0, the loop will be run, because for negative number the loop will be not run. And then 0 number, because that's basically sum is 0. So let's why the loop will going to be run, it needed to be run, because so basically over here till the number is positive, okay, the loop will be run. And then you can see I have taken remainder from the number, because num percentage 10, if I do it, then I have been because if I do 23 percentage 10, then first remainder will be 3, and the second remainder will be 2. Okay, so remainder will be 2 3 over here. So in this way I have taken remainder and stored in this r variable, integer variable, and every time we are store the r variable with the sum. Okay, so first of all sum is 0, basically sum. So if we take a number, that basically 231, let's say. Okay, so basically if we take remainder of 231, the first 231 percentage 10 will be 1. So 1 value is it's going to be stored in r. Then sum equal to will be, sum is first 0, then 1 equal to 1. So sum is going to be stored at 1 value. Okay, then the number is going to be updated by divided by 10. So basically over here num was 231, and if we divide it 10, then the quotient will be what, will be 23. Okay, so num is updated by 23. So after that loop will be going to be run at 23 is greater than 0. Yes, 23 is greater than 0, then positive number. So now the number is 23, and if we divide it with 23 by 10, the remainder will be 3, because the last digit is 3. And in this we are stored 3, and the sum will be like 4, because 1 plus 3 is 4 over here. and then the number 23 is going to be updated by divided by 10, and it will be 2. Okay, because the question will be 2. So after that, the loop will going to be over the condition check, that is 2 is greater than 0. Yes, 2 is greater than 0. It is positive number. Now the number is 2. Okay, so remainder will be 2 divided by 10. What is the remainder? It will be the 2. Okay, so in this 4 we're going to get 2, then it will be 6. Okay, so I hope you understand. Then num is going to be updated by 10. So 2 divided by 10, that will be the quotient will be 0. Okay, now the number is 0. So is the number is greater than 0? Not. 0 is not greater than 0. Okay, 0 is equal to 0. So the loop condition is false over here, and the cursor will be out of the loop and print the sum of the digits of the number and the sum variable. Now in the sum variable, the stored value is what is, that is 6. So the sum is going to be printed as 6. I hope you have understood the program. Okay, so let's run it. You can see over here that is 1 to 4. Let's say the sum of the digits is 7, because 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7 over here. So in this way, I hope you have understood the program. So I have also done the print the sum of the digits of a number. So I hope you have understood the all the programs. Okay. Hello guys, you have understood all the concepts behind the questions, and if you understood all the concepts, then like button and comment on the below in the comment box, and if you not understood, then let me know in the comment box also, and it will be better to interesting, and I also like it very much. If you like it, please comment in the comment box, and let's make a amazing pro interaction. And if you understood everything, then also consider subscribing. Please consider subscribing, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.